Number 11. Turn around. It means to change direction or position, or to improve a situation.
He turned around to face me. He turned around to face me. The company's sales turned around after the new marketing campaign. The company's sales turned around after the new marketing campaign. When she got lost, she turned around and found the right path. When she got lost, she turned around and found the right path.
Number 12. Turn over. It means to flip something so the other side is facing up, or to give control or possession to someone else.
Turn over the paper to continue the test. Turn over the paper to continue the test. He turned over the car keys to his son. He turned over the car keys to his son. The shop was turned over to the new owner. The shop was turned over to the new owner.
Number 13. Turn away from. It means to move your face or body so you are not looking at something, or to stop being involved with something.
She turned away from the scary movie. She turned away from the scary movie. He turned away from bad habits. He turned away from bad habits. They turned away from the old methods. They turned away from the old methods.
Number 14. Turn in. It means to go to bed, or to submit something like homework or a report.
I usually turn in early during weekdays. I usually turn in early during weekdays. She turned in her assignment on time. She turned in her assignment on time. They turned in their feedback at the end of the class. They turned in their feedback at the end of the class.
Number 15. Turn up. It means to appear or arrive, or to increase the volume or intensity.
He always turns up late to meetings. He always turns up late to meetings. Her cat turned up after being missing for days. Her cat turned up after being missing for days. Can you turn up the heat? It's cold here. Can you turn up the heat? It's cold here.